we go! Look around you. Let's loosen up that neck. Fire some rounds, then reload. Great! Now show us your moves. Come on, let's get going. Reach the shooting range for some advanced weapons training. Complete this final challenge to clear the course.
In Quantum League, players compete in arenas where a device generates time loops. When the arena clock reaches 0, time rewinds and you will go back at the start of the time loop. Now your past selves will redo your previous actions. Players loop 3 times. This is called a cycle. This tutorial will cover the basics of time-traveling self-cooperation. Take down all of the targets in one 3-loop cycle.
Keep going!
Use your memory and spatial sense to properly cooperate with your past selves towards the objective.
Hit all targets before the end of the cycle. Keep going! Almost there! Cooperate with your first clone to get them all. Keep going. Almost there! Use your memory. Keep going. Almost there. You did it!
If one of your clones receives lethal damage, they will become desynced from the timeline. In the next loop, you can change the timeline to save that clone from being desynchronized.
What a paradox!
If you get desynced while playing, you must keep playing as a ghost. save your clone in the next loop to make the actions you performed as a ghost happen in the actual timeline. In point capture mode, 2 teams fight for control of a designated goal area.
Headshot. Denied.
To control the goal area, at least one of your team members must be on it, unchallenged by the opposing team. To score a point, your team must be in control of the goal area at the end of the cycle, when the final loop's timer reaches 0.
They score.
If the goal area becomes challenged, nobody will score and a new cycle will begin.